BGIS India's journey in providing RFID solutions to libraries began in 2013, a year marked by technological enthusiasm and a thirst for modernization in India's vast landscape. This company, with a vision to transform the traditional library system, embarked on a mission that would span over a decade, reaching every corner of the nation.
BGIS India's journey into providing RFID solutions for libraries commenced in 2013 with three pivotal installations. The first was at Vasantarao Naik Marathwada Krishi Vidyapeeth in Parbhani, Maharashtra, where the integration of RFID technology marked a significant step in modernizing the library's management system. This success was quickly followed by installations at Madhav Institute of Technology and Science in Gwalior, Bhopal, and the prestigious Indian Naval Academy in Easthimala, Kerala. These projects established BGIS India as a pioneer in transforming traditional libraries into efficient, technology-driven hubs of learning. In 2015, BGIS India expanded its footprint to new regions across India. They implemented RFID systems at Diffu Government College in Diffu, Assam, enhancing accessibility and security in a region where such technological advancements were much needed. This was followed by the modernization of the library at Dr. Balasaheb Sawant Konkan Krishi Vidyapeeth in Dapoli, Maharashtra, and Michael in Shela, Gujarat, further solidifying their presence and showcasing their ability to cater to diverse educational institutions. The year 2016 was a period of significant growth for BGIS India. It began with the installation of RFID systems at Charutar University of Science and Technology in Anand, Gujarat, setting a high standard for the year. Other notable installations included Bose Institute in Kolkata, West Bengal, and several institutions in Gujarat such as Government Engineering College and Central University of Gujarat in Gandhinagar. They also ventured into Jammu with installations at Sher-e-Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technologies campuses in Chhatha and R.S. Pura. Other key projects included the College of Agriculture in Pune, Maharashtra, University of Agricultural Sciences in Dharwad, Karnataka, Amrapam Higher Secondary School in Vanarape, Puducherry, Padmashri Vikhe Patil College in Loni, Maharashtra, and Indian Institute of Management Udaipur in Rajasthan. In 2017, BGIS India continued to strengthen its network by installing RFID systems at a variety of prestigious institutions. These included Junagadh Agricultural University in Gujarat, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences in New Delhi, and the Defence Research and Development Organisation in Pune, Maharashtra. Further installations at Sardar Krushinagar Dantwada Agricultural University in Banaskantha, Gujarat, Jawaharlal Nehru Centre for Advanced Scientific Research in Bangalore, Karnataka, National Forensic Sciences University in Gandhinagar, Gujarat, Okatarsadia University in Surat, Gujarat, Manipal University Jaipur in Rajasthan, Sapt University in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Sri Vidyaniketan Educational Trust in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, and Manipal Academy of Higher Education in Mangalore, Karnataka. The expansion continued in 2018 with significant installations at the International Centre for Theoretical Sciences in Bengaluru, Karnataka, TIFR, Centre for Applicable Mathematics in Bengaluru, Karnataka, and Symbiosis International University in Pune, Maharashtra. These projects highlighted BGIS India's growing influence and its ability to cater to the advanced needs of higher educational and research institutions. 2019 saw BGIS India reaching new heights with installations at premier institutions such as the Bhabha Atomic Research Centre in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Ahmedabad University in Gujarat, Solapur University in Maharashtra, and Central Institute of Fisheries Education in Mumbai, Maharashtra. They also installed systems at Punjab Agriculture University in Ludhiana, Punjab, College of Dairy Science in Amereli, Gujarat, Wadiyar Centre for Architecture in Mysuru, Karnataka, and Dr. D.Y. Patil Vidyapeeth in Pune, Maharashtra. In 2020, BGIS India continued its excellence with key installations at the Defence Research and Development Establishment in Pune, Maharashtra, and Guru Nanak Dev University in Amritsar, Punjab. These installations reinforced their commitment to providing cutting-edge RFID solutions even amidst challenging times. After a brief pause due to COVID pandemic, 2022 saw BGIS India achieving new milestones with installations at the Parul Institute of Engineering and Technology and Parul Institute of Medical Science and Research in Vadodara, Gujarat, and Symbiosis Law College in Pune, Maharashtra. In 2023, BG's India continued to expand its footprint with installations at Guru Kashi University in Bathinda, Punjab, Tolani Maritime Institute in Talegaon, Maharashtra, and Deccan College in Pune, Maharashtra. These projects demonstrated their ongoing commitment to enhancing the educational infrastructure across various states. The journey continued into 2024 with installations at prominent institutions like Veermata Jijabai Technological Institute in Mumbai, Maharashtra, National Institute of Communication Finance in New Delhi, and Al Jamiatus Safina in Mumbai, Maharashtra. These projects signify BG's India's dedication to driving innovation and ensuring that libraries across India benefit from state-of-the-art RFID technology.